with them both. Very impressed.
It's a crossbow.
Morning margaritas.
I got you.
You drink, right, kid?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I love that fucking name, Huntress.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, great name.
Oh. I really like how you were able to kick so high in those tight pants.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, thanks for the car.
You're welcome. Kid, if that burrito doesn't make you shit, I don't know what will.
Give me a minute.
Yay! Yes! Woo! Right. You're giving her prune juice, laxatives. I mean, the kid's got a stomach made of steel.
You know what? I owe you an apology.
Me?
I underestimated you. And I'm sorry.
I'm used to it.
Harley, bring the colander.
Ladies.
Have fun with that.
So, what now?
Sionis is gone, but it's just a matter of time before some other asshole tries to finish what he started.
Right.
We gotta clean this city from the inside out.
Does she always talk like the cop in a bad 80s movie, or is that just...
Fuck you and fuck you.
What?
I mean, we were amazing there.
Yeah! Hell yeah. I agree completely, so I'll put that as well.
Thank you.
Press.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa! They stole my fucking car! What? I know what you're thinking. You think I'm a dick after all that. But you heard what the cop said. Sionis is gone. And those guys, they're gonna be just fine. Montoya's boss picked up the gangbangers at the booby trap and took all the credit while he was at it. Again. It was the kick in the balls she needed to see that she had nothing to prove to those blowhard assholes. She quit the same day. We got the secret bank codes off the dime, and Huntress got her family money back. She's using it to fund a little crime-fighting outfit. They call themselves the Birds of Prey. I call them dorky little do-gooders. The rock itself was worth a chunk of change, so I pawned it, and I invested the cash in a little startup making waves in the East End.
I'm a motherfucking woman, baby, alright.
Oh, and I found Bruce. He was wandering around Chinatown. I guess that proves the theory that hyenas really do have 9 lives. Yeah, I made the kid my apprentice. Call me a softie. I dare ya.